Hello, it's Captain Bob here with some helpful information on setting up your Altimeter Motives analog panel. Your Altimeter Motives analog panel should come with the panel, 2 bungee cords, and a mini USB. You can plug the mini USB into the controller board, plug the other end into your computer, and lift the panel over your monitor. A 23.8-inch monitor works best. You can then use these bungee cords to fix the overlay tight against the panel. To get the instruments to display on your Altimeter Motives analog flat screen panel, you're going to need Air Manager. In the SimInnovations wiki, you can click Download and Install. You can download for your proper operating system and click the little link here. Once the program is downloaded, click Run and go through its installation wizard. You'll also need a registration key for Air Manager. Go over to Software and click Air Manager v4 for desktop. You can then add it to cart and check it out. Once you're in Air Manager, go to Air Manager, activate Air Manager, and paste your key here. Now you're inside of an operational Air Manager. If you go to the Altimeter Motives website under Downloads, you can find the Air Manager CIF files. These are the preset files. You can read the Air Manager CIF file for the analog control panel right here. Click the link and download this file. Under Create and Edit, click this little import button right here. You can then import the file you just downloaded. Click Open, press Import, and it'll say it successfully imported your panel. That is excellent. We have one more that we didn't have before. It's this Altimeter Motives panels right here. If we go over to Home, we can actually add this panel through the home page. So click Add New Panel, and then search for Altimeter Motives. There's this Altimeter Motives panel, or whichever one you imported. Click Add, and we have a choice between analog and the G5 version. So let's click Analog, click Add, and it populates the panel right here. We can put over the shield, plug it in. Make sure after about 30 seconds an Arduino here pops up saying Arduino Nano and is flashed to channel A. If for some reason this doesn't say Arduino Nano under pin A, then you can refer to the instruction manual for flashing instructions. So our panel is all strapped in, plugged in, and ready to go. We can click the Show button, and we'll see our instrument panel taking shape, and all of the instruments are showing up. Unfortunately, none of these work right now. To be honest, at first I freaked out a little bit, but then I realized that the simulator wasn't running. So open up your simulator and let's get started. So once you're into the simulator, you'll realize that all the knobs work as they're supposed to. Do note that the knob on the attitude indicator is a dummy. It doesn't have any function. And if you press down on these heading bug knobs, you can get them to work. The only thing that doesn't work out of the gate is the clock. So under Altimeter Motives panel, right here, there's this drop down. Scroll all the way down to OAT and time, and then under Hardware, select Arduino Nano, channel A, and pin D6. Do the same with the select button, Arduino Nano, channel A, pin D5, and then the same with button, Arduino Nano, channel A, and D4. Your configuration of the OAT and clock should look like this. Now you can use this to select what time you want. You can use it to stop the stopwatch, and you can change between temperature and volts. This is super cool. We only have to configure 3 things. The rest is working out of the gate. If you're having Arduino problems, it's possible you need the CH340 driver. Go to the link in the description below, this sparks.gogo.co, and under Windows, select the CH340 driver, and if you're on Mac, you can download it from this GitHub. Download this zip file, right-click it, extract all, open up the extracted file, and run the .exe. It'll ask you to say yes, and then click install. I've already installed this, so it shows a failure, but it should show a success message for you. We want you to enjoy your Altimeter Motives analog panel. If you have any issues with this, please email techsupport@altimetermotives.com. Happy landings and have a fantabulous week.